Today I'd like to discuss the facelift transformation and specifically what to expect in the recovery process and really what you go through emotionally from post-op day 0 to post-op day 60. The facelift transformation process is a stunning one, but in my opinion it shouldn't be so noticeable that people can tell you had a facelift. There's got to be a subtlety to it. That's what's beautiful and that's what's artistic about the facelift. What I notice is, especially when I perform a deep plane facelift, some of the most early signs of recovery are swelling of the face because of fat transfer. Fat transfer is a topic that I've covered in previous videos, and in most cases I'll put fat under the eyes, at the base of the nose, sometimes in the temples, sometimes between your eyebrows, and other places. That is where you get the most bruising after a facelift, but your face is still swollen. People in my practice tend to be a little bit nervous at about a week or two after a facelift surgery when the swelling is starting to come down, because if everything goes really well, you're gonna find yourself focusing on the little things. And when I do a deep plane facelift, I place 2 rows of stitches, one really deep and one a little bit more posterior that's not as deep, and it heaps the tissue up, for example, right here. So after a well-executed deep plane facelift, at about 3 or 4 days, you're gonna be at your peak of swelling. At about 1 week, you're gonna start to look okay, minus some bruising under your eyes and various parts of your face. By 2 weeks, you start to freak out because you start to look really good, but there's still gonna be dents and peaks and valleys because of the work that was done under the surface. That usually lasts about a month. At about 3 to 4 weeks, people having had a facelift feel comfortable going to the store, putting some makeup on, and even going out at night. I don't want you to overdo it. 3 to 4 weeks away from the gym is imperative, but it takes about 1 to 2 months to start to actually look good, and about, 3 to 6 months to be before and after ready. I hope this helps.